Let us take this previous JEE Advanced question. Consider all rectangles lying in the region x comma y belongs to R cross R, that is the two-dimensional plane. X lies between 0 to pi by 2 and y lies between 0 to 2 sine 2x. So I have drawn the graph of y equal to 2 sine 2x and x is varying from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so that is half of the periodic interval of the graph of 2 sine 2x. This is one half of a periodic interval of 2 sine 2x graph. So x is varying from 0 to pi by 2 and y is varying from 0 to 2 sine 2x. So we are taking all values within this particular region within the graph. And consider all rectangle lying in this region. So in this region we need to consider all the rectangle lying having one side on the x-axis. So this particular side is on the x-axis. So this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So one side of the rectangle, let us take the rectangle to be A, B, C, D. So AB is on the x-axis. This is 90 degree. AB is on the x-axis. So for this rectangle, we need to find out the area of the rectangle which has maximum perimeter among all the rectangle. So we need to maximize the perimeter of the rectangle and corresponding to the maximum perimeter, that rectangle area we need to find out. First of all, you see 2 sine 2x graph, this particular branch is symmetrical about the midpoint, that is pi by 4. This is 0, pi by 2, mid value is pi by 4. This is x equal to pi by 4 line. X equal to pi by 4. And since it is rectangle, so it should be symmetrical about the line pi by 4. Pi by 4 right side and the left side should be symmetrical. So that means let us take this distance. This distance is equal to h. This distance is equal to h. So this distance I am taking as h. So symmetrically this distance is also h. So the point B will become, the point B will have a coordinate pi by 4 plus h. X coordinate will be pi by 4 plus h comma 0 and the point C will be x coordinate will be pi by 4 plus h. This will be the x coordinate pi by 4 plus h. What will be the y coordinate? To get the y coordinate we will put this x value in the graph. So it will be 2 sine 2 into pi by 4 plus h. So the point C will become pi by 4 plus h comma 2 sine pi by 2 plus 2h, that is 2 cos 2h. So y coordinate of C will be 2 cos 2h. So that is the height of the rectangle. So this height, this is the y coordinate of C. So this should be 2 cos 2h. So we need to maximize the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter P will be equal to, perimeter is, this side length is 2h plus 2h, so that is 4h plus 2 cos 2h, 2 cos 2h. That is 4 cos 2h. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle. We need to maximize this function. So dpdh equal to 4 minus 8 sine 2h. This should be equal to 0. And if I equate this with 0, we will get sine 2h is equal to half. That means 2h is equal to pi by 6. So h should be equal to pi by 12. So corresponding to h equal to pi by 12, we are having the local extrema. And if we go for the double derivative checking, d2p dh2, double derivative will be, this one derivative will be minus 16 cos 2h. Corresponding to this point, if I substitute at h equal to pi by 12, this value will be minus 16 cos pi by 6. That is a negative value. This is the negative value. This is negative, right? So double derivative is negative means what? It is a point of local maxima. It is the point of local maxima. So perimeter is maximum at h equal to pi by 12. So corresponding to that, what is the area of the rectangle? So area of the rectangle is equal to, so let us find out the area. Area of the rectangle will be base into height. Base is 2h into height is 2 cos 2h, and we need to find out this area at h equal to pi by 12. So put h equal to pi by 12, 2 into pi by 12 into 2 cos pi by 6. So it will be pi by 6 into pi by 6 into 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So it will be pi by 2 root 3. This will be the area of the rectangle. So answer is option C.